Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our fourth chapter, that is animals and their food. All living things need food to grow and live. We cannot live without food. Plants also need food to grow. Like humans and plants, animals also need food. Food gives them energy. Food is needed to remain healthy and fit. Plants make their own food. How animals get their food? Animals cannot make their own food. So animals depend on plants and other animals for their food. Different animals eat different food. So they have their mouth parts suited to the type of food they eat. On the basis of feeding habits of animals, they can be broadly divided into different groups. They are herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, scavengers. Now we will study these one by one. First we will study herbivores. The word herbivores is derived from the word herba, which means small plants, or herb. Vose from vorare, which means to eat. So herbivores are animals that only eat plants and get its energy from eating plants only. Herbivores are eating plants only, so they are also known as plant eating or herbivorous animals. Cow, goat, rabbit, horse, etc. are examples of herbivores. You know, largest herbivore on earth is the African elephant. Herbivores, they have a special digestive system that let them digest all kinds of plants including grasses. So it's clear what are herbivores? Herbivores are those who eat plants and they get energy from these plants only. Next we will study about carnivores. The word carnivores, it also comes from two words, carni and vorare. Carni means flesh and vorare means to eat. So carnivores are those organisms that eat flesh of other animals. They are getting energy from the flesh that they are eating. So they depend on other animals for their food. These animals are eating flesh of other animals. So they are also known as flesh-eating animals. Fox, wolf, tiger, lion are some examples of carnivores. You know, the biggest carnivore, the biggest is the carnivore, the more it has to eat. The largest land carnivore is the polar bear. So, what is carnivore? What are carnivore animals? The animals that eat flesh of other animals are known as carnivores. Next we will study about omnivores. The omnivore, it is made up of two words, omni and vorare. Omni means all, everything, and vorare means to eat. So omnivores are those animals who eat both plants and flesh of other animals. Some examples of omnivores are human beings, hen, cock, cockroach, peacock, etc. Why human beings are omnivores? Because human beings are eating both plants as well as flesh of animals also. So it's clear what are omnivores? Omnivores are those organisms that eat both plants and flesh of other animals. Next we will study about scavengers. Scavengers are animals that get food from dead and decaying plants or animals. But these scavengers, they are not killing animals on their own. They are eating those animals who are already killed by carnivores. Example is vulture, crow, etc. And you know, scavengers, they help in keeping the surrounding clean. How scavengers are helping in keeping the surrounding clean? Because if there are no scavengers, we will be able to see a lot of dead bodies of animals lying here and there around us. So these scavengers, they are feeding on the dead and decaying matter, and so they help in cleaning the surrounding and helps to clean the environment, helps to keep the environment clean. So what are this? So this herbivores, carnivores, omnivores and scavengers are clear. So now we will have reading of whatever we have understood today. So open your book, page number 28, chapter 4, Animals and their food. All living things need food to live. Animals as well as plants need food to grow. Animals depend on plants and other animals for their food. Food helps them to grow. It gives them energy to do work. It helps them to stay fit and healthy. On the basis of feeding habits of animals, they can be broadly divided into different groups: herbivores, carnivores, omnivores and scavengers. Herbivores, the group of animals which depend upon green grass or plants for their food, are called herbivores. They are also known as plant-eating or herbivorous animals. Cow, goat, rabbit, horse, etc. are some examples of herbivores. Carnivores. Some animals depend on other animals for their food. They eat the flesh of other animals. They are called carnivores or flesh-eating animals. Wolf, tiger and lion are carnivorous animals. Omnivores. The group of animals which eat both plants and the flesh of other animals are called omnivores. Some examples of omnivorous animals are hen, cock, deer, cockroach, peacock, etc. Human beings are also omnivores. Scavengers. There are some more animals who scavenge. These animals get food from dead and decaying plants or animals. They do not kill animals on their own. They eat those animals which have already been killed. They are called scavengers. For example, vulture, hyena, crow, etc. Scavengers help in keeping the surroundings clean. Termites are common scavengers of dead plants. Okay students, I hope you all have understood this. That's all for today. Bye bye students.